How fast do you actually click? In competitive games like Minecraft PvP or any FPS title, your clicks per second, or CPS, can make a real difference. In this video, I will walk you through how to measure yours and what the numbers mean. The average person clicks 5 to 7 times per second. If you hit 8 to 10, you are above average. Jitter clicking, where you tense your forearm to vibrate your finger, can push you to 11 or 14, but it causes fatigue quickly. Butterfly clicking, alternating two fingers, can reach 15 to 25. Anything above 16 sustained is genuinely world record territory. To take the test, open the click speed test at keyboardtester.click. Hit the start button, then click as fast as you can for 5 or 10 seconds. Your CPS score appears instantly. You can try different techniques on separate attempts and see which one works for you. Your mouse hardware does matter. A lighter actuation force lets you click faster without fatigue. Lower debounce time registers clicks faster, but too low causes ghost double clicks. If you are butterfly clicking, wider flat mouse buttons work better, and lighter mice stay more stable under aggressive clicking. Test your CPS for free at keyboardtester.click. The full article with benchmark tables and technique tips is linked on the blog.